Let's now tackle this incredibly cool problem from the Amc 12. In my opinion, it's one of the best problems in this entire contest. Flora the frog starts at 0 and makes a sequence of jumps to the right. In any one jump, independent, Flora leaps a positive integer distance m with probability 1 over 2 to the m. What's the probability Flora will eventually land at 10? So if you watch the states video, you know that naturally the best way to do this is just write out equations. The f of 10, what is f of 10? Well, f of 10 is the probability of reaching 10 on the number line when you're 10 away. So over here, when you're at 0, you're 10 away. So the probability of going all the way here, f of 10. Okay, so what is the value of f of 10? So there's a half probability. So on any given move, where does Flora jump? There's a half probability you jump to 1. Now, at position 1, what's the probability of reaching 10? Well, you're 9 away. So we can just call that f of 9, right? F of x or f of n in general is the probability of reaching 10 when you're 10 away. And we also have a 1/4 chance, let's say, right, because 1 over 2 squared, of reaching the point 2, which would be f of 8. So on, all the way till 9, we have a 1 over 2 to the 9, or let's say 1 over 5/12 chance of reaching f of 9. And from f of 9, the probability is just f of 1. So now we have our handy equation for f of 10. Let's now write our equation for f of 9. Obviously, this is going to be very hard to compute manually, but maybe you can notice some cool algebraic tricks going on here. So it'll be something very similar, right? From 9 away, half chance of becoming 8 away, 1/4 chance of becoming 7 away, so on, 1 over 256 chance of becoming just 1 away. You might notice that these are very similar. In fact, if you look at all of these terms and you divide them all by 2, you get all of these terms precisely. So we can just rewrite this as half f9, but then take a look. All of this part is just half of this. But this is half of f9 over 2 will give us back here. So this part over here is just f of 9 divided by 2 plus half f9. So overall, f of 10 is f of 9. Wow! And it turns out we can continue this exact same logic. Here we would get 1/4 f7, or sorry, 1/2 f7 all the way till 1 over 128 f1. But then take a look. All of this part, which is f of 8, this thing is just going to be f of 8 divided by 2. So this is f of 8. And we can continue this logic all the way until f of 1. We get f of 10 is f of 9 all the way until it's equal to f of 2 equals f of 1. And when you're 1 away, what's the probability of reaching 10? That is just half. So our answer, 1/2. A really clever solution using states, right? We write different states and we have some really cool algebraic manipulation, subtracting divide by 2, some nice cancellation, which results in a really nice solution. Hope you enjoyed this video.